I'm taking it off. Out of a brand spanky new Hyundai Sonata. Like my seat. And I'm so upset. It doesn't tell me what it is on the horn. So weird. So, one screw right there. It is this guy. This puppy is a cover right in here. All right, so pop the cover off with a tool just like this guy. Phillips head, hello. And then I pulled right from here. I pulled and pulled and pulled. And it popped off in my hands. So, get it completely off. There you go. And then we got the door switch. There you have it. All right, let's get the door speaker out. I guarantee it's going to be a nominee for my wonderful do-it-yourself speaker adapter. So let's pull this guy out. We got 1, 2. I'm going to take them off manually. 3. And 4. Unplug. White and black. And yep, a nominee from my video that I have right there. Garbage. Paper. That's what this is. Garbage paper. So we're going to put it all back with your new speaker that you just showed. I just showed you how to do. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.